Okay, hey guys. Today we finished our video from yesterday and we're starting today's video, and we just ate lunch. We decided to kind of like postpone school, I guess, for a while. Whoa, that is bad. Say hi, Holly.
Hi.
Whose watermelon is this? Is it yours? Okay. Well, the lighting's really bad right here. But, yeah, we postponed school and now we are at my mom's friend's house. And we just ate chicken nuggets and fries and watermelon. Landon, what are you doing? Oh, he's shy. Alright, guys, so I had a lovely idea, a very lovely idea that we should go ride the Ranger. And it already looks like it was gonna rain outside, but at first it wasn't raining at all. And so we kept driving. We were about driving for 10 minutes or so, and it started to a little bit of sprinkle, and I was the whole way I was saying, I hope it rains. I hope it rains on us. I hope it pours. Yeah, well, I got my answer because it started raining so hard and I was driving. There's no windshield, no doors on the Ranger, no roof. So the three of us in the front, which was me, Tuesday, and Desi, they were in the back. They only got their hair got a little wet. No, we got soaked. I just changed shirts and stuff. We were soaked. She's still in her clothes. Desi, look at Desi. She is soaked. And here Mom is, only her head got wet, a little in her shoulders.
Yes, but
Annalie's hair is wet. Gavin changed shirts.
yeah, and why he changed shirts, let me tell you. I want to tell you. This kid did the sweetest thing. It started raining and he takes his shirt off and gives me his shirt and says, "Cover the baby." He sacrificed his shirt for the baby.
Yeah, but we all got soaked. But I was driving with one hand and had the other hand in my covering my eyes because the water was pecking my eyes like little birds. I couldn't see, and I was driving so fast to get home. It was crazy. So also I just found out that Laurelyn was sleeping through the whole time. Everyone was yelling and screaming, and she slept the whole time. She just woke up.
She really doesn't like to wait. Not really into hesitation. She pulls me in enough to keep me guessing. Confessing, oh, I've been shaking. I love it when you go crazy. You take all my inhibitions, baby. There's nothing holding me back. 'Cause if we lost our minds and we took it way too far, I know we'd be alright. I know we would be alright if you were by my side when we stumbled in.
Are you? Oh. Annalie, come here. Oh. Are you drinking laundry detergent?
My belly in the one.
Your umbrella is in the rain?
It's a Mickey Mouse umbrella.
It's a Mickey Mouse?
Minnie Mouse.
Yeah, it's happy. I can't get wet, Mom.
Annalie.
Go away. You'll make it another day. With the city want to play. Rain, rain, right away. Up the valley boat. Shine through the rain. Watch the fight out. I'm okay with sunny. Ride the ball away. And the easy is the spider. And walk the
Yay!
A rain is go away. And nobody gets it. I want to go swimming.
He's staying on the porch, baby. We're not gonna get soaked today like we did yesterday.
Nope.
Do you like the rain, Gavin?
Yeah.
I like the rainbow.
Tell us about it, Gavin. Why do you like the rain?
I like the rain because I love how it sounds. The pitter patter repetition.
Like this
And
yucky.
it's just like a soothing sound for me. And I love to see streams going down our road because I used to go out there and we would build dams.
What are y'all doing?
Even green beans. Mashed some potatoes. And carrots.
From the table.
What are y'all doing?
I'm just being under the table during school.
You're hiding under the table?
What are you doing over there?
Hey, baby.
Can we put some more milk in those to make them?
What are y'all doing, Annalie? Are you upset, Annalie?
Like Gavin has hot dogs and she doesn't.
Gavin had the last of the hot dogs. Candace is eating
I want
up
a
some food. She is munching down. Oh, look at my plate. I'm super hungry. I'm ready to eat lunch. Thank y'all for helping cooking and cleaning.
My stomach's a lot smaller than that.
You don't think I'm going to be able to eat all that?
Mama, I need hot dogs.
We will see. Annalie really wants a hot
No one
dog.
in this house has
We love
two
you.
stomachs like
I
I
want hot dogs.
Only Candace has 2 stomachs?
do. Three.
3 stomachs?
Me, myself.
I want hot dogs.
You gotta
I
eat for
want
all 3
hot
people?
dogs. I want hot dogs.
Hey.
I have 3 stomachs.
Hey.
I got hot
Say
dogs.
bye-bye.
You have two.
No, hot dogs. Hot dogs. Hot dogs. Hot
Contrary to the popular belief of rocks and fossils actually form quite rapidly. The formation of fossils requires the conditions that we would normally associate with a flood. If a fish dies in a lake or river, it is extremely unlikely that it will form a fossil.
So today, I got teacher appreciation. And so my sister and my mother made me a gift and they brought it to me. And it's yummy candy. And it's a cute little container that opens up on each side. So I can use it for snacks, like baby snacks for in the car. And so it was really a cool gift, really thoughtful. And so I just wanted to shout out to them and tell them thank you very much for thinking about us homeschool moms and all the hard work we do. And giving us chocolate so we can survive the day. Yay, good job. And Laura Lynn really wants some, huh? She's like, give it to me. Give it to me.
So, I just washed my hair, guys, so it kind of looks crazy. But shout out to my grandma Dee. She bought my whole outfit for homecoming for the opposing school. Yeah, I got invited by another school. But, yeah, this is my shirt. And I like it because the back has this lace stuff. And then these are my pants that I've actually had for like 3 months or so that have sparkly stuff in most of the holes. And I really like them. And yeah.
When is Candace's little deal?
A party?
A birthday party.
No, that modeling thing.
First time she's holding.
And you know,
Thank you, Nanu. Do it again. For the boots and the shirt.
No, that. find
The end. Woof.
No, this few of the fishes right here. And few of the balloons. Big.
That's
Big.
doggy biscuit. Dog food. What's that say?
Doggy biscuit.
It says woof. Say woof, woof,
Woof, woof.
woof.
And he got one bone.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's doggy dog.
And he does pick it up to morning.
Yeah.
And all the bacon.
Mm-hmm. The end.
See the puppy right here?
Yeah, I see him.
He hides right here.
What's his name?
Bacon.
Yeah,
Bacon.
Biscuit.
Biscuit.
Yeah, Biscuit.
Biscuit. Bacon.
Bacon. That's nothing to do with bacon. Hello, Biscuit.
Hello, biscuit. Okay, now I do the